Hey guys, another CRF 450R no start video, and I'm just going to show you in this video how to check your kill switch. Make sure it's working properly. So there's your kill switch. You just follow the wires down, follow it down, and you'll come to the end of your wires and there'll be a plug. So you take your multimeter and you plug your leads, doesn't really matter which one, into the end of the connections. You could splice the wire or whatever, but that does the best. Then you'll check continuity. So you turn that on. This is open loop because nothing's working, right? Try to get it all in one shot here. So you'll press the button. And you can hear that beeping right there. That's telling you when you press the button, it's closing the circuit. And it's letting the electricity flow through. So that switch is good. So that switch is working, and that is not a problem. Wicked.